Hello everyone. Today we'll start Maths 1 of Standard 9th. Okay. It's the first lesson of the textbook. So first of all we'll see the definition, children. What is a set? So a set is nothing but a well-defined collection of objects. Okay. Means such a collection which is known by everyone. Okay. We'll see that with a few examples. For example 1, the set of prime numbers from 1 to 25. If I will ask you to write down the set of prime number from 1 to 25, everyone will start from the 2, then 3, then 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17 and 19. Yes children? 19 plus 23. So everyone is knowing what are the prime numbers present between the 1 and 25. Okay, now we see the question number 2. Example number 2. Set of negative integers. So number line, right hand side we have all positive numbers, left hand side we have all negative numbers. So your set of negative integers are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, infinite. Okay, means again this set is known by everyone. So this is called as a set, or this is an example of set. Now set of colors in the rainbow. If I will ask 5 students to write down the colors which are present in the rainbow, they all will write same answer if they are knowing. Okay, so these were the 3 examples, children. Methods of solving. Before that, we'll see this names and symbol. Okay, so name, natural number, it is denoted by capital N. Whole number denoted by capital W. Integers denoted by capital I. Rational number denoted by the capital Q. Real number denoted by capital R. Whereas belongs to denoted by E and does not belongs to denoted by, this is a sign of that. Okay children, so these are symbols are very important, so you have to learn it. Okay, yes children, we'll continue now methods of solving sets. So there are 2 methods are there. First of all we'll see the listing method or roster method. Second method we'll see into the next lecture. Today we are going to concentrate only on this method. Okay, so we'll see this method with the help of few examples. In this method, question will be given into the statement form. Answer we will write in symbol form. For example, your question is, A is a set of X such that X is the letter of the word division. So while writing the set in the listing method, okay, you will avoid the repetition of alphabets. So your answer will be A is equal to DIVSON. Okay, here you will not write I 2 times or 3 times. You have to write down only at once. Okay, it means that while writing the listing method, we should avoid the repetition of letters. Example 2, B is a set of Y such that Y is a number such that Y square is equal to 9. So children, we have to solve this answer question part Y square is equal to 9. So when you will take the square root, you will get the 2 answers plus minus 3. So your answer is B is equal to, in curly bracket, minus 3. Okay, you have to write always the sets by using curly bracket. Now next, third one. Question is, C is a set of Z such that Z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 30. Okay, means we have to write on the 5 table, okay, but not till 30, below the 30. So 5 table, if we say 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. Okay, less than 30 is there given, so we will not take the 5 6 are 30. We will take till only 25. So your answer is C is equal to curly bracket 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Curly bracket we have to close this without forgetting. Fourth example, question 4. All month in the Indian solar year. Yes. No children. January, February is not an Indian solar year. Our Indian solar years are Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesth, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad. Okay, these all are our Indian solar year. And how many they are in number? Yes, they are in 12 in number. So check your answer. D. Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyesth, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Agran, Paush, Magh, Falgun. So this is your answer. Do not forget to write curly bracket. Okay, all the sets you have to write by using curly bracket only. Now, example 5, set of human sensory organs. So there are 5 human sensory organs are there. Yes, children. Ears, nose, eyes, then tongue and skin. Let us see our answer. Yes. Ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Getting, children? Now we'll continue the next example. Example number 6. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Yes, it is very easy. 2, 3, 5, 7. Yes. 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay. So let us see our answer. F is equal to, under the curly bracket, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. You have to keep in mind, children, here 2 is the even prime number. Okay, so it will be the first prime number. Now next question, name the continent in the world. How many continents are there in the world, children? Yes, correct answer. There are 7 continents are there. Let us see their name. Okay, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. These all 4 are starting from the A. Then Europe, South America and North America. These are your 7 continents. So we have covered here 7 examples, children. Okay, for practicing this method, we have to solve more and more examples. Okay, now we'll continue question which is present in your exercise 1.1. Question is, write the following symbolic statement in the words. Means statements are given in symbol, we have to write in words. So our first symbol statement, 4 by 3 belongs to Q. This sign we have learned already. This sign is called as a belongs to. So we have to write this. How we will write? We will write that 4 by 3 is a element present in Q. Let us see how answer is given. Yes, 4 by 3 is an element of set Q. Okay, present what we have to remove. So 4 by 3 is an element of set Q. Next one, -2 does not belong to N. So we will write -2 is not an element of set N. We will write -2 is not an element of set N. Now third one, P is the set of P such that P is an odd number. P is an odd number. How to write in words? Let's check. P is a set of all P's. Set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Okay, getting children how to write? In this way, statements are given in symbolic form. You have to write into the words. Now, thank you children. Next method we will see in our next lecture. Okay, be with us. Stay at home. Stay safe. Bye bye children.